first we show our room and then we take everyone. Okay, you want to take everyone to Perka? Come on, follow us, guys. I'll show you our living room here.
Yes.
It's a beautiful Airbnb property in Cheras. It's Arte Cheras.
Someone is there.
Someone is there. Looks so pretty.
Can I have something, guys?
Yeah, guys, you can have something. Looks so nice. Full city view from here. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Beautiful mirror over here. Hi.
Hi.
Wow, view is looking so good.
So why are we here, Tiana?
Because we are celebrating Mommy party.
Yes, mummy will be how many years old?
35.
Yes. You wanna show the swing? You have this nice swinging chair, you see?
Show everybody. I can sit.
Daddy,
Yeah, sit.
someone is there. Someone is sitting behind you.
Yeah, it's a bunny. Wow.
That's funny. Can I also stay with you?
Oh.
Hooray.
Okay, come.
Come down, guys. Bye.
Come on, guys. Let's show you.
1,000. Mommy, 1,000.
1,000, Daddy.
Mommy, 15.
Yeah. Let's change the date. Wait. Why? Sit, Baba.
I just want to sit.
Okay, sit down and do 22, okay?
Wait,
Yeah.
22, okay.
Keep it.
Very good, keep it there.
April 22. So nice.
Take any phone.
Come on.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Here, here. That is there.
Okay. Daddy, get down first. Okay, Daddy.
Be careful.
Be careful, guys. It be very dangerous.
Yeah, I can do it. Upstairs.
It's very good job. Hello, Daddy. Okay. Guys, I will show you.
I show you our cute kitchen, Tiana. So pretty.
So pretty.
Wow.
It comes with everything. You don't have to bring anything, just bring your groceries. If you want to cook, everybody our room. Come on, guys. This is this shows. One is this room.
Look at your chair. It's a pink chair. It's a pink chair.
This is one red chair.
Pink chair.
One room.
Yeah.
And we show another room.
It's a black chair.
Another room, guys.
It's a black chair, guys. That was a black chair.
Yeah.
Looks pretty.
Hello, guys. Look at me. Wow. Can I see?
Look at this. This is Cheras.
Wow. See any car? And look at the yellow car.
Tesco is also here. Tesco Lotus, okay?
Oh, there's the
So if you want to buy something, we can go down and buy it.
This one is Tesco? Like
Yeah,
Lotus?
yeah, Lotus. Lotus bought all the Tesco.
Can I have snacks, please?
Yes, we'll show the room first.
Guys, look.
This is.
Wow.
We'll come from this side, okay?
Yes.
Come on.
Connected bathroom.
How do you get on there?
Switch off the lights and everything.
Daddy, I want to do everything.
Be careful. Another bathroom.
Another bathroom.
Like
Wow, this is
shower,
Tiana
right?
bathroom.
It doesn't have shower, I think. It's just.
Yeah, I know they have.
They have.
Small. This is Tiana bathroom, small one. Tiana, I'll take Badi here.
Yeah. Okay.
Kitchen. Kitchen.
What is that?
Big one.
Who gave you this?
Uncle.
What is that? Not uncle. Mummy buy it for you. Mummy buy it for you, not the Airbnb uncle. Okay. Mummy hide it for you inside. Yeah. All the cutleries.
Everything is there.
I will show you something, a gift.
Daddy.
Daddy, can you open this, the fridge?
I don't want to eat.
You like it? Just here. Here goes.
We're having a party, guys.
We're having patty, guys. How we open
Birthday
it?
party. What do you
How,
call it?
how we open it?
Birthday Eve. Okay. Wait, I'll bring everything, then only we can start.
Happy birthday to you.
Mama, birthday party.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Open it, guys. Open, Daddy.
You wash your hand?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
You need a spoon. This is tiramisu cake.
Mary, eat this cupcake.
Best seller tiramisu bola.
देखे तो? I want to eat tiramisu.
No.
Let's try. First you try. First it's okay. उसमें कड़वा भी होगा. Don't give her. Not bad. Good.
Not bad. Good. Hey, Daddy don't like it.
So bitter.
Daddy didn't like it.
Daddy, you're not a tiramisu person.
क्या ना टी चलें अब
Smile, please. Oh, there's a race track. See, train is coming.
This one. This is a train track. This one.
What is coming in the track? What is that?
Come on, friends.
Come on, guys. Follow us.
Oh, it's a dress.